everyone. So today I'm gonna update you about the video that I posted earlier. So the car is warm, the engine is warm. I drove the car, took it up to temperature, and now when I started, it doesn't idle funny and it doesn't turn off. So let me just show you. As you can see, it's idling fine. So the issue that I faced was the airflow meter, airflow sensor needed replacing. There you go. So that's the part that needed replacing. And at the same time, my air oil separator failed. So I'll just show you now when I start the car that everything is fine again. So there you go. It's idling just fine. Don't mind the check engine light. That's another issue for another day. As you can see, the engine is warm. And the car is idling fine. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos to come. Thank you.